A brave little squirrel named Nutty lived in a cozy tree. One blustery day, Nutty felt excited and nervous. He had decided to build a new home. Nutty collected twigs and leaves and used them to build a sturdy house. He worked tirelessly, his paws busy. Suddenly, a strong gust of wind blew. Nutty's house shook and wobbled. But Nutty was not afraid. He was determined. Nutty added more twigs and leaves, making his house even stronger. With each gust, Nutty's house stood firmer. Finally, Nutty's house was complete. It was sturdy and strong, ready to weather any storm. Nutty climbed inside his new home, feeling safe and warm. He had shown courage and determination. From that day forward, Nutty was known as the bravest little squirrel in the forest. The end.